There goes Bingham.
This is the National Weather Service office in Binghamton, New York. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems.
So Bingham tested before Albany.
This is a test of the new weather radio warning alarm device for WXL34. We activate this alarm for the following counties in New York State: Albany, Rensselaer, Montgomery, Fulton, Saratoga, Schenectady, Tulare, Greene, and Columbia counties. This has been an alarm test. Synopsis. Today will be chilly with gusty winds, as well as some snow showers across the high terrain. We trend.
Okay, they did their test.